Carly, what? Yeah? Say, yeah, you're a good boy. What's this? What's this? Quit trying to get Josh. What's this? What's this? Step up? Yeah? What else? Say what? Say what? Step up? I said what? Step up. That's your favorite word. Step up. You. No. Good baby. Give me a kiss. You're supposed to say aw afterwards. Give me a kiss. Aw. Give me a kiss. Oh, you said give me a kiss. Aw. Give me a kiss. Aw. Say give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Aw. Give me a kiss. Aw. Aw. You a good boy? You a good boy? You a good boy? Say I'm a good boy. You a good baby? Aw. Give me a kiss. Aw. Come up here. Come on. Come up here. I can't bend no more. Come on. Come on. Hey. Can you step up? Step up? What's that? Give me a kiss. Aw. You a good baby? What's that? Where you going? You see Josh. Peekaboo. Play peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yeah, you're a good baby. I want him to say what? Where are you going? Where are you going? Get your nose. Get your nose. Get your nose. Come up here. Come on. Look. I took your clip. Tickle, tickle. Tickle. You're a sweet baby. Say I'm a pretty bird. Say I'm a pretty boy. Aww. Where'd he go? Quit chewing on my shirt. You're not putting holes in my shirt. Come on. swear it sounds like you're saying, what are you doing? You gotta step up. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Alright, he's too busy chasing you.